Hello and welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Ashish Parekh. If you are an Android user, here's some good news for you. Google is now introducing 6 new features that it hopes will improve user experience, and before you sigh assuming that this is part of the Android 12 update which will be coming out later this year, no. You will be getting access to these features as soon as Google starts launching it, because Google has already started rolling them out. So what are the new features? Let's find out. First up, password checking. Now, one of the biggest concerns of any social media users is that his or her password being compromised, and the major issue is that the user realizes that there is a breach only after the damage is done. But now Google has a solution to this. You might be aware of Google's autofill password feature, wherein Google basically saves your password, and once you enter the email ID or any username, Google automatically fills the password for you. Now people who use this particular feature will be notified if the password that they are entering matches any of those that have been compromised or leaked in the past, and thus the user will be prompted to change the password. However, what's left us wondering is that if we can really trust Google with all of our passwords. Second feature is schedule send for messages. Now, this is one feature that Google has been testing since November last year, and finally it is being made official. Like the name suggests, users will be able to schedule messages on the Google Messages app. Now, this can be done by long pressing the SMS and then selecting the date and the time of delivery. Now, this will basically save you lots of times and efforts of staying up late at night to help your friend wish your friend their happy birthday. Third feature, Google Assistant is now more accessible. Now, while Google Assistant is a great tool to get work done by your mobile without actually being right next to it, the feature is crippled when your smartphone is locked. Now, you have to unlock your smartphone to access the hands-free feature. Now, this is done for obvious security reasons, but in many ways this actually defeats the purpose of a hands-free experience. Now, addressing this issue, Google will now start allowing users to use the virtual assistant for basic tasks like setting alarms or playing music even when the device is locked. Fourth feature is the dark theme for Google Maps. Now, one of the most sought after features in Google Maps is the dark theme, which will finally be available for users. To access this feature, you have to head over to the settings menu. There you have to tap on theme options and then select always in dark theme. Now, dark mode has been much sought after feature in almost all of the applications, not only because it is easy on the eye, but also because it saves a lot of battery as well. And now this will be available in Google Maps as well. Next feature is customizable Android Auto. Now, Google is introducing custom wallpapers, shortcuts, and also some new games for Android Auto. There is also a privacy setting to control when you want Android Auto to show up on your car display, so that it is more accessible and more in control of the settings that are happening. Next and last but not the least is the new version of TalkBack. Now, Google has closely worked with blind and low vision communities to come up with an upgraded version of TalkBack, which is the screen reader for Android. Now, the new version can be accessed by downloading or updating your Android accessibility apps in the Google Play Store. So what do you guys think of all of these new Google features? Do you think any of these will actually make a difference as far as user experience is concerned? And also, do you again trust Google with all of the passwords, given the fact that that will be one of the key requisites for the password checking features? Do let us know what you guys think in the comment section below, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to TV9 News. Thanks a lot for watching.